Wrap the exhaust pipe. What do we need? First is our exhaust wrap. Choose the suitable length of the wraps for your exhaust pipe. Then need a scissors. One thing that is very important is rubber gloves, because there will be fiberglass on the surface, so you need a pair of gloves. And don't forget the stainless steel cable ties. We have black cable ties for the black wraps. First, we need to wear gloves. It's very important, because the glass fiber left on the surface of the wrap may cause discomfort to your hands. Fold a section of the tape over and place it at one end of the exhaust pipe. Then wrap the tape all the way around. Then slowly tilt the wrap over. Then use a black zip tie to tie one end tightly. It's important to pull firmly to keep one end from loosening. Then repeat the previous steps and tie the last end with a cable tie. Finally, trim off any excess cable ties.